MSI Modern 14 is a business laptop for content creators, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of this device covering its design, hardware specs, features, performance and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. Inside the retail box of MSI Modern 14, you will find the laptop, the charging cable, power adapter, and some user manual, quick start guides and warranty card. There are many different variants available for MSI Modern 14. The one I got for review is the most high-end one that comes with 10th generation Comet-Lake Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, a dedicated and discrete NVIDIA GeForce MX350 graphics card, and 512GB SSD storage, out of which the user available is 399GB. Talking about the design and build quality, MSI Modern 14 comes with a light 1.3 kilograms aluminum chassis with 16.9mm thickness. The build quality is quite nice. The matte finished lid of MSI Modern 14 attracts some fingerprints, so you will have to clean it time to time. The design is very minimalistic and because of that it looks premium as well. It comes with good amount of slots and ports that you can use for different purposes. At the bottom we got a large ventilation grill that looks like the music equalizer waveform. So it's quite beautiful and unique as well. There is a rubber padding provided to lift the device a bit from the surface for better ventilation, but the smartest design factor is that once you open the lid, it lifts the body of MSI Modern 14 from the surface a lot for better ventilation, and it also provides a nice and more comfortable angle to use the device. The side bezels around the screen are very thin. We got a bit of bezel above the screen and thick bezels with MSI logo below the screen, but the good part is that once you open the lid, the lower bezel goes a bit below of the line of sight, and because of that the screen to body ratio looks quite huge. The screen can be rotated up to 180 degrees and the area surrounding the keyboard and touchpad is also very minimalistic and looks beautiful. One thing I am seriously missing here is the lack of fingerprint sensor that is available on nearly every single laptop available in this price segment and also on the cheaper models. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, MSI Modern 14 is a nice beautiful looking device with good build quality, minimalistic design that looks premium. It weighs just 1.3 kilograms, so it's quite lightweight and you can easily carry it anywhere. The performance of the MSI Modern 14 is quite nice. The Intel Core 10th generation i7 processor along with 16GB RAM and the NVIDIA MX350 GPU, it provides a nice and smooth experience all the time. You can expand the amount of RAM up to 32GB. Modern 14 comes with two cooling fans which are quite silent and help in controlling the temperature of the device when you put some load on it. The device is targeted for the content creators, and that's why MSI provided a dedicated discrete NVIDIA GPU on top of the integrated one. But don't get your hopes too high. This is a low-end NVIDIA GPU that is designed and targeted for the average video editing, low-end gaming, so it can obviously help you in working on your video editing apps, photo editing apps and play some low-end and mid-range games on MSI Modern 14, and it will also contribute overall in user experience on the device. But keep in your mind that you won't be able to play high-end heavy graphics game on this device or do pro-level content creation, video editing works, etc. In our benchmarking test, MSI Modern 14 was able to achieve good scores for both regular usage, content creation. In real-life scenario, I did not face any kind of issue or lagging while doing the usual internet browsing, office works, video editing or playing some low-end mid-range games. It comes with 14-inch Full HD IPS screen with great sRGB color accuracy that is very nice for multimedia editing and color grading, but it would be nice if it was a touchscreen display. Also, the brightness is not too much and you will feel a bit difficulty in using the MSI Modern 14 in outdoors on a bright sunny day. At low brightness, the PWM effect on the screen of MSI Modern 14 is quite strong, but on higher brightness level, it gets better. Talking about the connectivity, we got two USB Type-A port, one 4K at 30Hz HDMI port and one USB 3.2 Type-C port along with a micro SD card reader. That is a nice inclusion for sure. And then we got the DC in and combo audio port. Personally, I would prefer to have more USB Type-C ports as they are becoming more and more important for the connectivity purpose. Talking about the battery life, it's quite nice, but it is not something exceptional. In my personal usage, it survived around 7 hours on my daily usage. But the good part is that it comes with 65 watt fast charging, and it takes just a bit more than 1 hour in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. So even if the battery goes down, you can quickly charge it and keep using the device without facing any issue. Since MSI Modern 14 is targeted to the content creators, it comes with a creator center where you will find different options and settings for better productivity. In the creator mode, you can select the software and application that you would like to perform the best. Then you have the option to select the user scenario, whether to get the best performance or the battery life or a balanced performance between these two. You can also select the keyboard backlight intensity and the screen brightness. Just like the MSI Dragon Center, under the creator center you also get the option to monitor the CPU usage, GPU usage, fan speed, information regarding the device connectivity, clocking speed, GPU temperature, and the status of the storage. And then under the True Color section, you can select the color profile based on your preference and the usage scenarios. Modern 14 also comes with some nice multimedia editing applications for audio, video, image editing, and also the color editing. The keyboard of MSI Modern 14 is one of the best among the business laptop. The keys are well spaced and the 1.5mm key travel provides a very nice typing experience for longer typing sessions. The keyboard comes with 3-level white backlighting, and it comes with some additional keys like dedicated function key to switch between the user scenario profiles on the creator center and the key to shut down the webcam for better privacy. And the touchpad is quite nice as well. It is smooth and responsive, but it is a bit small in terms of both length and width. It comes with two bottom firing 2-watt speakers that provide good audio experience on MSI Modern 14 because of their placement. So they are good enough to play games, listen music, or watch movies on MSI Modern 14. It also comes with the dynamic application that you can use for various customization related to audio profile to improve your listening experience on this device. Overall, MSI Modern 14 is a nice laptop for content creators. The performance is nice. It is not that great if you are a pro level content creator and editor. The keyboard is very nice for long hours of typing session. The screen is beautiful. It comes with lots of options for connectivity. The speaker quality is good enough, and you will have a nice experience overall on MSI Modern 14 as a content creator. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.